Justification. What justification means as far as it pertains to word processors like Google Documents or Word or just about any other word processor there is how text is aligned on the page. Left, centered, or right. Left justified, centered, or right justified. Now, by default, text is left justified because that's how we read. We read from left to right. And so, by default, documents have everything left justified. If you want to center something, what you do is you go up here, you select center, and you just type, I want this to be centered. Return, return. Now it stays centered, so therefore you might have to go back and do left justified to get it back. This is back. And right justification happens with things like dates. So let's go up here and do this. And I will say August 31st. So now you can see that that is right justified because it's on the right side of the page. There's also something called full justification. Full justification, you can skip by this if you don't need to know what full justification is, and you probably don't need to know what full justification is. But full justification is it lines up the borders on both sides. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. When in the course of human events it becomes necessary for one people to participate in democracy. I'm making this up right now because I forgot what comes next. We the people in order. Now, you can see that it's lining up both sides. This is difficult to read. It does look kind of fancy, but it's difficult to read. So here's the difference. It looks like this because both sides are nice and flush. Or there's this where it does that. A little easier to read this way, I think. But some people do like how fancy this looks when we do this. Whoops. Oh. There.